Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the second day out of 3 days of product research techniques I'm going over. Today we're going to be using Vipon, which is a deal website that has a ton of Amazon FBA products on here. So this website is perfect for sourcing products to sell on Amazon. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Just to let you know, today we're going to be using X-ray again, and I'm going to show you some techniques to kind of do product research to see if a product's going to be valuable for you. So as you can see, we're already on the Vipon website right here. And we're going to just go ahead and scroll down. I really didn't type anything in. I just like going through all the pages and just seeing what we got here. So as I was scrolling down the first page, I found something. Where is it at? Right around here, a bit further down. All right, right here. So this was a unicorn lamp that I found really appealing. It was really out there, so I went ahead and clicked on it, and it came up to the deal thing. And it's selling at a discount. That really doesn't matter to us. It sells for $21.99. That matters to us. So I went ahead and looked it up on Amazon. So I went to Amazon and typed in just unicorn lamp, kind of figuring this would show up. So I scrolled down here, and I'm starting to see some unicorn lamps. It looks interesting. There's a decent amount of reviews. Not crazy competitive, but a decent amount of reviews. So I went ahead and hit the X-ray on it. Let's go ahead and pull up this. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the revenue real quick. So let's just make sure this 40,000 isn't one of our competitors. It's not. Go down, go down, go down. This globe one's really cool. I've actually looked into this a couple times. I couldn't figure out a differentiation or variations of it, so I kind of cast it aside. But if you guys want to take a look, it's a pretty cool market. All right, here we go. So we got Folksky. I guess that's who's selling it. They're selling 1,600 units, which is a ton, and they're selling 35,000. So once again, this guy's killing it, which is going to scare us a little bit. Let's see if there's anyone else down here who's selling a little bit. All right. Let's go down a little bit more. Some other little simpler ones. Selling a little bit, $5,000 here. What was that? 210, 59 reviews. Let's make sure. It's hard to look at this one. So they're selling 59 reviews at 5,000. Let's go ahead and look at this main competitor who's taken over the market a little bit. So where was he? Folksy. So I went ahead and clicked on here, and that's going to pull up his listing. His listing's looking pretty good. I'm going to scroll down. All right, so one thing here that I'm noticing, there's no variations that he's selling, which is pretty impressive that he's selling this amount with nothing really crazy about it. It's just a simple lamp that it looks like in the total market. So I'm going to go look on Alibaba just to see if I could find something to possibly add a variation. So when I find a product like this, I go to Alibaba right away. And today I typed in Unicorn Lamp 2020. I did 2020 because I wanted to see if there's any new versions coming out. So I started scrolling down on this page, trying to find a supplier. It took me not too long, actually. This one, I actually looked back at the page with all the other lamps on there. On the first page, I couldn't find not one that looked like this. So I clicked on it just to see where the supplier was, which I clicked right here, and it came up with the unicorn lamp that I was looking at. So it's selling for $2.72. That's not bad for only 100, pieces ordered. So that's kind of appealing. That's kind of in my price range I'm feeling like. So I went down here and actually clicked on the supplier because I want to look to see what else the supplier is selling so I can bundle it together and possibly create a more valuable product or even some variations I could throw in there. So I hit on the supplier, and this is going to be this page right here. So this is the supplier page. I went over here and typed in unicorn because I wanted to see if there's any accessories they sold. I didn't quite come up with any accessories, but I scrolled down and I noticed there was a couple more like unicorn lamps. So this appealed to me because the main competitor really doesn't have any variations of the unicorn lamp. But right here we have a couple different styles. Like we have 1, 2, and the original 3 right here. No, 3 right here. And giving a customer a selection is always going to help your listing because it's going to help it convert more. It's going to help you rank your keywords better because you're converting your listing. And overall, it's just going to help you out. So I would recommend buying a couple hundred orders of each just to see which one sells better. And then maybe you can figure out your ordering after that. That's just one idea to kind of differentiate yourself from the market. And you always need to keep your mindset as study the masses and do the opposite. You don't want to blend into the crowd. You always want to be different. That's how you're going to find customers. That's how customers are going to find you. All right, guys, that's going to sum up the video for today. Just to let you guys know, always check out the description to see what I'm offering, whether tools or consulting or Helium 10 promo codes, just so you get the most value out of my channel. I'm also going to be labeling my videos just so it's going to be easy to keep up with the mini course. So always look for somewhere to be labeled up with a number on the screen or the description. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and get ready for another product research technique video tomorrow. You guys have a great day and take care.